Hello, everyone. We are reviewing Shopify stores, 3D print-on-demand Shopify stores, and we're looking at what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and what they could do to increase their sales even more. Another horror-themed one. We have reviewed one of these before, but let's go ahead and look at what they got. Good layout, good design. You changed the template a little bit. That's fantastic. Let's see here. What do you got? Loyalty points, contact FAQ. Good layout there. You got a blog. Got an Etsy store. Let's look at the Etsy store. The Etsy store. Wow, congratulations. Ooh, we're gonna do a 2-in-1 here. We're gonna review your Etsy store and your Shopify store. Overall, items look fine. Octopus. I'm gonna look at your first one come up here. Strong Hand, Scary Movie. Okay, good product photography. Good product photography. You have it watermarked. Congratulations. Good work on that. Very good product photography. Good context. Size reference. Inside of the product photography, that's what you want. Great job. Again, nice stylized ones down here. Well, it's things. To each their own. Description is good. Right hand, left hand. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't have these two options. Get rid of them. It doesn't matter. It doesn't help anybody. Yeah. I would say you can have more description, more keywords in your title than what you have right now. That could be improved. But yeah, that's good. Let's see. Supervisor, true. Please note that all of us are not suitable. Okay, so a disclaimer on all that stuff. Yeah, that's fair. This description could have more keywords inside of it. But, okay, so looking at the home one, let's see here, products overall. Lots of different products. Descriptions are fine. Titles are fine. Pricing seems to be good. Let's see here. Let's look at this. The theme of the store is good. I'm kind of surprised that it's blue. I'm going to check in on your social here because I'm just curious now. How many followers do you have? Not a ton, but not bad. Beetlejuice coming out, of course. That's all fine. That's the thing to kind of ride. A lot of color options for an alien there to where you have to have a lot of photography and context. I'd simplify it. But overall, it looks fine. Let's see here. More description. That's good. Yeah, this is all good stuff. Okay. The site looks good. I don't have anything too much to revamp on that. Mainly title and descriptions. Photography looks good. Site design is good. You got logos there. You got socials connected. All this stuff is good. You have a consistent type of photography. So all these have a similar theme. And in fact, actually, that I like. Well, this one I like. Going from showing the glow in the dark with a hover. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but if it was, congratulations. All right, let's look at your Etsy store. Your Etsy store. You should have the URL to your website in the header of your Etsy store. That way people can find your website from the Etsy. But congratulations on the number of sales. You're doing very well. 64 products, good number of products. And we already know photos are good. Free shipping. Congratulations. You know about the free shipping. The free shipping bumps you up in the search rankings on Etsy. That's good. Make sure you're advertising this. Most popular item. This is the one people have in the cart, huh? Yep, good title and SEO there. You could put some more in it. Don't need glow in the dark all by itself. Cheshire Cat, Voodoo Doll, horror toy, fidget gadget, something like that. Something better SEO there. Well, lead time is fine. That's 3 to 10 days-ish right here, right at the moment of filming. That's good. Free shipping, that's what you want. Exchanges within 7 days, that's fine. A lot of reviews. You're getting a review per every other sale. That's really good. Congratulations. A lot of reviews on that. Good photo reviews. You have a video. So yes, video is really important on Etsy because it bumps you up in search rankings and Etsy can advertise on TikTok for you. Oh, that's really good photography. I appreciate the edit that you had to go to get that done. That's tough to do, to get all that glow on there. But that's great. Good shipping. Yeah. And people are liking it, bought it. Wow. 3 people bought it in the last 24 hours. Congratulations. That's fantastic. Good work, guys. This is great. The Etsy store overall looks good. Put your website URL inside the header. That'll help you get people to the website. And then you have the other items, free shipping. You've done all right. Man, you're doing it all right. You're doing it correctly. You're watermarking your photos. You have good photos. Your thumbnails are centered. all this stuff. Good work. This is a fantastic example of a store, both with a website and with an Etsy presence. It's very consistent. It's clean all the way through. There's a style, there's a niche to it, and they're a unique type of products. As far as growing, I don't have a huge number of tips. You guys could outsource the prints if you're getting behind, because quite frankly, you're just doing so well that you might not want to buy any more 3D printers, and you don't want to shut down halfway through the Christmas season coming up. So you might take some of these simple ones like this octopus or the hand and that kind of stuff, and you could plug these into like the Slant 3D plugin, both on Etsy and on Shopify. There's a plugin for both. And then you can match a file to a listing, and then when somebody purchases that listing, Slant 3D will print the item and ship it to your customer for you. That way, you don't have to deal with it yourself. And you can offload some work and also get access to tons of machines. And you're in Salt Lake, so international isn't really a big value to you. Slant 3D is working on getting a print farm in Europe, so that will be coming down at some point in the nearish future. So that's value there. But overall, looking good. If you want to outsourcing is a way to do it so that you can focus on making the customers happy, creating really cool products, creating good photography, and then letting the printing kind of take care of itself, or some of the printing at least, for particular items. So those are all things that can help you overall. Besides that, well laid out, well organized, good work, guys. Social presence could be increased a bit, but that's fine. That just comes. Congratulations, guys. This is a really good combination of Shopify store and Etsy store. There's not much I would change. A little bit of SEO tweaking. Pricing seems to be fine. You might be able to go a little bit higher. A lot of people underprice stuff very often. But overall, just looks really, really good. Keep up the good work, guys. This is really great.